Wow, look at that tiramisu. It's so pretty.
I know. That guy is really good. He should go to the next round.
I like that woman's brownie more. It looks perfect.
I want to know how it tastes. It must be really yummy.
Let's see what the judges say.
It must be hard for them to choose who goes to the next round.
For sure.
Yeah, I wish I could join a cooking contest.
Do it.
But my cooking skill is like my boyfriend.
You don't have a boyfriend.
Exactly. I have no cooking skills either.
Hey, you know what? You can actually join a cooking contest.
Really? Who would take me?
Us. We can have our own cooking contest.
Are you serious?
Yes, it's just for fun. We don't need to be real chefs.
That's a great idea. I like cooking.
Really? I didn't know that.
Yeah, I help my mom in the kitchen sometimes. It's fun.
See? So, what do you say, Gina?
Well, okay. But don't laugh if my food tastes bad.
Don't worry. We won't laugh in front of you.